Greetings, everyone! As we celebrate Easter weekend, let's dive into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming release, the Galaxy S24 FE Fan Edition. The Fan Edition series, although titled for enthusiasts, serves as a budget-friendly alternative to Samsung's flagship models, offering slightly scaled-down specifications. Previous iterations, notably the Galaxy S23 FE, drew criticism for their performance issues despite their price proximity to flagship devices. With the imminent release of the Galaxy S24 FE, Samsung aims to rectify past shortcomings while maintaining an attractive price point. Performance enhancements. A significant concern with previous Fan Edition models was their subpar performance, notably due to outdated chipsets. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy S24 FE might feature the same powerful chipset as the regular S24 series, promising improved performance and smoother user experience. This upgrade is crucial for Samsung to bridge the gap between its flagship and budget-friendly offerings, ensuring that users receive optimal performance without breaking the bank. Design and display. While performance upgrades are essential, Samsung must also address design and display concerns to appeal to a wide range of consumers. The S24 FE is expected to feature a similar design to its predecessors, maintaining a balance between aesthetics and functionality. Display quality is vital, with rumors suggesting that the S24 FE may sport a basic AMOLED panel without the advanced LTPO technology found in flagship models. Despite potential compromises, Samsung aims to deliver a visually pleasing and immersive viewing experience for users. Camera technology. One area where Samsung might make compromises to maintain affordability is camera technology. The S24 FE is expected to feature a camera setup similar to the S23 FE, including a primary shooter and basic ultra-wide sensor. While sufficient for everyday photography, enthusiasts may find the camera capabilities of the S24 FE lacking compared to flagship models. Nevertheless, Samsung aims to strike a balance between cost-effectiveness and satisfactory camera performance to cater to a diverse audience. Battery life and charging. Battery life and charging capabilities are essential factors for smartphone users, regardless of the device's price point. The S24 FE is rumored to feature a 4,500 mAh battery, similar to its predecessor, providing ample power for a day's usage. However, concerns arise regarding the charging speed, with leaks suggesting the continuation of slow charging support. While not ideal, this compromise is understandable to maintain affordability without sacrificing battery capacity. Software experience and updates. Samsung's One UI 6.1 promises a seamless software experience for S24 FE users, mirroring the features available on flagship devices. However, compromises might be made in terms of software updates, with the S24 FE likely to receive around 4 years of support compared to flagship models. While not as extensive as flagship offerings, this level of software support remains commendable, ensuring users receive timely updates and security patches. Launch and conclusion. While the exact launch date of the Galaxy S24 FE remains unknown, anticipation is high for Samsung's latest Fan Edition release. By addressing performance concerns, maintaining a sleek design, and offering a satisfactory camera experience, Samsung aims to deliver a compelling mid-range device. As we eagerly await further details, it's clear that the Galaxy S24 FE has the potential to cater to budget-conscious consumers without compromising on essential features. Stay tuned for updates on the S24 FE release and be sure to share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below. Until next time, have a fantastic Easter weekend, and remember to stay informed and entertained with the latest tech news. Cheers, everyone!